Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim, your favorite yachty gal. Alright, I'm just gonna jump right into it because I'm looking crazy and y'all know what time it is when you see me looking like this. It is time for another wig review because like I said, I'm getting ready for my hot girl summer. Like for real, I was not joking. I'm back on my hair journey and I just don't want to be in my hair at all. That is how my journey is going. Boom, once again, lovely packaging from LuvMe here. I'm loving some LuvMe here, okay? I'm gonna be reviewing other wigs as well, but so far I've just really been just blown away by the quality of these LuvMe wigs. So I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I've just purchased more. Ain't no other reason than that. Yep, I've just purchased more. So yeah, this is another one. If you have a specific company you would like to see me try out, don't send me anything that looks like a sketchy company, y'all, because I'm not gonna be a guinea pig to spend my money on a website that's obviously like a fake website. There's so many hair companies these days. So I'm gonna do my research, but feel free to drop down below like wigs that you would want me to try, or if you know of companies that really do be having good wigs and you'd want to like put me on, go ahead, babe, go ahead, just drop it in the comment box. I'll check it out. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it because I want a very extensive wig collection. Just opening this box up right away. Oh, I did take this hair out, the little netting and the bag that it comes in already. It came in this purple LuvMe bag. I took it out because I've had this wig actually for a few weeks now. I just haven't gotten around to trying it, so I haven't put it on my head yet, but I have taken it out. And then you know how they do, they give you this little LuvMe bag with, it'll have bobby pin, a little edge brush, a scarf, tweezers, a LuvMe clip. Like there's a whole bunch of stuff that you get in this bag. I have so many of these now, literally. Yeah, I think their stuff always comes very well packaged. And there's the wig cap if you want to use it, and the care instructions. I don't feel like, oh my god, this is so cute. I'm just now seeing this. See, this is how long I purchased this. They put a Mother's Day card in here. Wow, this is so cute. It's literally a Mother's Day card from, like, wow. Aw, that's so nice. That's so nice. Like, I see you, LuvMe. I see you. Anyways, so this wig, listen, it got really hot the last couple of days, like 70 something, 80 something degrees. I'm telling you, Indiana weather is like so bipolar. So I'm just making sure I have options. So far, most of the wigs that I have are kind of like medium length. I wanted a definite like short bob style. I wanted a blonde wig, honestly, but the one that I wanted was sold out, so I just got a regular bob. It's been a while since I've rocked a bob, so I'm just gonna shut up and put her on. This wig looks so funny right now. Can you imagine if this was the wig like this with the bangs all the way up here? Bruh, I would pass out. Oh my god, I would pass out. That would be so crazy. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Hold up, let me fix it. I'm gonna pull it back because I don't want these bangs too much in my eyes. Right off rip, I could tell she needs a little bit of styling. She needs a flat iron to get these, like, the hair to be all in one direction. But this is gonna be kind of like a first impression. The hair is so soft, like you can tell. I could pull it back some just so that the bangs aren't so far down. I'm sorry, my kids are screaming. Okay, I pulled it back a little bit. There we go. And I feel like once I style it, then the top won't be like sticking up so much, like pointy. Yes, I feel like this is so cute. I felt nervous a little bit just because, like I said, I haven't worn a bob in a while, and I know bobs ain't nothing to play with. Let me try to see if I could just style it to make it look cute right quick without having to flat iron it. Hair is pretty short, so I can't really do a proper half up, half down. But if I brushed it in, I really could. But I'm trying to do something really quick right now. Okay. Oh no, it's not working out. Y'all, I'm trying to be lazy and it's not working out. I'm gonna leave it just like this. There you go. Tuck it behind my ear. Just put it right here. Yeah, there we go. What do you guys think? I really love it. I love it's very comfortable on my head. It doesn't feel like the type of wig that I'll be hot in, which is the idea I had when I bought it. Yeah, I can't wait to rock this throughout the summer. Obviously when I wear it, I will style it. I'll actually flat iron it and curl it the way that I want, but for right now I'm honestly about to take it off, throw it back in the box because I'm going to work and I'm not wearing this to work. But yeah, I think it's a perfect length. I would want like a medium length bob, but I feel like this is super cute as well. I feel like you can never go wrong with a classic bob. It's just so nice. And I feel like if you're someone who's been playing with the idea of maybe like just short hair for a little bit of time, but you don't want to commit to cutting your own hair or anything like that, wigs are just so fun and easy. You can play with color, you can play around with different cuts just to see how it'll look, you know, and how you feel about it most of all. And then you can decide, okay, yeah, this is something I definitely want to commit to. For me personally, I'm growing my hair out, so this is kind of giving me my little fantasy right now of a short, easy to deal with hair, because my hair is anything but that right now. But yes, thank God for LuvMe. They be holding me down. So shiny too, look at it. And this is just like fresh out the box, like really, really, really nice. Obviously too though, if I wanted, I could bleach this hair or add some highlights, which I probably think I will. I think I'm gonna bleach a couple areas and kind of do like, not a balayage, but what do you call it, like just brown, like a light brown highlights for, I feel like it'll be more summer appropriate, will make this wig a little bit more light and approachable. And I just feel like it'll just be a little bit less dramatic, because right now with it being just, it's not jet black, but it's basically black, I feel like it's just, you know, it's just there. But yeah, I really, 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 really love this wig. If you would like to purchase it, I actually do have a code. It'll be in the description box and it'll be able to save you a little bit of coins. Yes, honey. Cute. Cute. Let me take my thumbnail. Anyways, bye guys. I'll see you in the next one.